was kind of making it as like my daily routine video. So my little man, he's finally asleep, so, and I started like cleaning, so I was like, why don't I just like make this as a video, like a vlog video? So yeah, I mean, I don't really want to show you this because I'm like so embarrassed, but I mean, come on, we're all moms and we know how our houses normally look. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna show you my stove here in a minute, and also my kitchen too. Please don't judge me, please. Okay, so let's get to it. So this is my horrible kitchen stove. Like, it's so gross, like I don't even want to show you. That's why I'm kind of blocking it. So there, that's better. You can just look at my lovely Christmas tree and my olive oil right there. So, and that stain on the wall. So yeah, I mean, we're in an apartment. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. It's not that bad. We pay like $960 a month. That includes everything, even the utilities and all that. It includes everything. So here is my son's area. I want to do a little something different so that way I can have like my full cabinet space, because I like to cook and I like to cut like vegetables and do all of that. So yeah, it's kind of dirty because like at night I do formula at night and I can't like see, and I'm like so tired. So yeah, and then we were cooking last night. He drinks that kind of water, by the way. He doesn't drink baby water anymore because we thought we would take an investment of buying cases of water. So yeah, and it works. I mean, it's kind of a wasteful thing because of the bottles, but I mean, we refill them and we drink it too, so we kind of save some bottles a little bit. That's my empty sugar container. I don't have any more sugar. Again, we were cooking, Ziploc bags, our microwave, our trash can, baby gate. That's all the storage we have right there. Storage up there, storage there. And that's our pantry, our refrigerator right there, and then our sink. I actually did the dishes, and I have hamburger meat. That's what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. So yeah, this is what our kitchen sink looks like, and that's more storage. We don't really have a whole lot, so we working what we got. And then there's storage right there, and then cabinets right here, and then more cabinet space and the dishwasher. So that's pretty much my kitchen. I'll give you like all like 360 kind of look, and it stops there. So I'm gonna step back and give you like the full load of it all. So I mean, I don't have anything to work with here, so, but that's about it. So I'm gonna get right to cleaning, and I hope you enjoy it. Oven. Here it is. It's kind of gross. I said oven, I meant stove. So this is what it looks like in the outcome. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. I mean, there's still some stuff on it, but I mean, it's better than it was. So that's clean. So we'll get on to this one in a bit. That was my cabinet, and here is the outcome of it. So freaking gross, like, I kid you not, it's so horrible. I can't even deal with myself. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is try to rearrange this, hopefully. So yeah, stay tuned. So yeah. Okay, so here is everything that was on my cabinet. So we'll just get into it. This is Sam's brand of Similac, and it costs so much cheaper compared to like these Walmart brand of the big one. I mean, it's the same thing, but it just has a different label. So, but yeah, that's what he was started on during a hospital. So they're like, let's try Similac. And so they gave us a whole bunch of Similac to start off, like the little pre-made bottles ones. So yeah, so he's just been stuck on Similac and it works. So I wish I was sponsored by Similac or Gerber, but I'm not. It'd be amazing though, because I buy all their products. And Gerber. Okay, well that's my cabinet. Let me move this out of the way. But yeah, I think my cabinet looks pretty good. And now let's get on to this cabinet. I mean, it's not that bad. I just gotta throw away some stuff. So yeah. Disinfectant wipes, Great Value brand, but I think I want to say I bought some more at Walmart. But oh my god, I love using these, but during the whole virus thing, these were out. So that I didn't really want to clean because I didn't have these. But I cleaned anyways. And look, that's kind of funny. Like, I just saw this. It says kills 99.9% of bacteria and the viruses. Like, why are they just now putting that on there? Kills the flu virus. Wipes away tough everyday messes. Oh well. I don't really want to get into all of that, but I just wanted to show you what I get. And it's a 75 wipes, and it's bleach free. So because we can't use any bleach in the apartments, and it's fresh scented. So I mean, it smells pretty good. I mean, I've been using these for a very long time, and I love these wipes. Like, kid you not, I love these. I mean, yes, I use sponges, but using sponges are so gross to me. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what I use, because I know people are probably going to be asking what I use for cleaning. Just simple Walmart cleaning supplies. That's pretty much it, because I can't afford those high-end cleaning supplies when they do the exact same thing. So yeah, okay. Okay, so the kitchen is pretty much done. So yeah, it's pretty much done. So I'm just gonna show you the whole thing. Okay, so here's the stove. I put my bottles up there, but I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna leave them there. I might just throw them away, actually. I don't know. But they're so pretty, though. Here's the cabinet. Ignore the trash. But I think it looks pretty good, like it was before. And then here is the other cabinet. And this one, I did clean this one, but I just did it off camera because coffee maker, excuse me, was too heavy. So yeah, so I just did it off camera. I even cleaned the coffee maker. So yeah, but everything is clean. I'm so excited, so happy that I did this, and I hope y'all stay tuned for some more videos like this. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Okay, bye bye.